Alright. Now Sophie's figuring out how to drive by herself. Can you get on the truck? Oops.
You have to get on first. Yeah, you have to get on first.
She's very good at getting on backwards.
If that was the main objective, you'd be perfect, huh? You have to turn around, baby.
She says, no, I don't.
What are you going to do? Come here. Come on.
Daddy, maybe you should help her.
Here. Mwah. There you go. Yeah. Go see Mommy. Go see Mommy. There's the button. Yeah.
Woo! Yeah!
Woohoo! Daddy's driver's ed pays off, huh? Yeah, it's easy.
Come on, get Mommy.
Go get Mommy.
Can you get me, Sophie?
Sophia, come here. Come here. Come on. Yeah, oh, on the power wheel.
You're too cute, Sophie. Daddy, help her out.
She'll figure out she's doing it the second one. Why don't you get on the car? Come on. Wow, that was fast.
Okay. Almost. Yeah, you tell him.
I know you're on the wrong side, but that's okay. You come down on this side and then you go the other way. Okay, come on. Come on. Okay, now get on. Yeah. Yeah. All right.
Yay, Sophie!
Come see Daddy. Come here. Yay! Come on, baby bear. Yay! Yay!
Woohoo, Sophie! Now you're driving for real.
You work for the company? Fisher Price paid us.
Yay, Sophie. Hey, Sophie, can you come look at Mommy and say bye-bye? Or you want to play with Daddy Start? Okay, bye, Sophie.
You say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. 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 Yeah. She just says, I'll go bye.